Welcome to the Foundation Computing. I'm Thidas Wickramasinghe from the OTHM Foundation program, which carries out in the ICBT campus Colombo. And this is presentation 3. The very first topic of this presentation is purpose of logic gates. A logic gate is simply a building block of a digital circuit. Most logic gates have 2 inputs and 1 output and are based on Boolean algebra. There are 7 basic gates: AND, OR, XOR, NOT, NAND, NOR and XOR. You can see the figure is below. Logic gates perform a logical operation on one or more binary inputs and produces a single binary output. Some circuits may have only a few logic gates, while others, such as microprocessors, may have millions of them. The purpose of different types of computer networks. A computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that enables the computer to communicate with another computer and share their resources, data, and applications. There are 11 types of networks: personal area network, local area network, wireless local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, and the seventh one is storage area network, system area network, passive optical local area network, which means POLAN, POLAN. The 10th one is enterprise private network, EPN, and the last one is virtual private network, VPN, the most popular one. Talking about the first one, the personal area network, which means PAN, the smallest and most basic type of network. A PAN is made up of wireless modem, a computer or two, phone, printers, tablets, etc. PAN revolves around one person or organization from a single device. These types of networks are managed by one person or organization from a single device. Local area network. A LAN network is a computer network that spans relatively small area. Most often a LAN is confined to a single room, building or group of buildings. However, one LAN can be connected to the other LANs over any distance via telephone lines and radio waves. Wireless local area network, WLAN. A wireless local area network is a wireless distribution method for 2 or more devices that use high frequency radio waves and often include an access point to the internet. A wireless allows users to move around the coverage area, often a home or small office, while maintaining a network connection. Next one is campus area network, CAN. A campus area network, campus network, corporate area network, or CAN, is a computer network made up of an interconnection of local area networks within a limited geographical area. CAN is a network that covers an educational or corporate campus. Examples include elementary schools, university campuses, and corporate buildings. Fifth one is metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network is a network that interconnects users with computer resources in a geographical area or region larger than that covered by even large local area network, but smaller than the area covered by wide area network. Government agencies use MAN to connect the citizens and private industries. Next is wide area network. A wide area network is a network that exists over a large scale geographical area. A WAN connects different smaller networks, including local area networks and metro area networks. This ensures that computers and users in one location can communicate with computers and other users in other locations. Storage area network, which means SAN. A storage area network is a secure high-speed data transfer network that provides access to consolidated block-level storage. An SAN makes a network of storage devices accessible to multiple servers. SAN devices appear to servers as attached drives, eliminating traditional network bottlenecks. In the figures above, you can see them, how the SAN works. System area network, SAN, the same as storage area network. System area network is a relatively local network designed for high-speed interconnection in cluster environments, which means server to server, and multiprocessing systems, processor to processor, and SAN, storage area network. Fiber channel is an example of SAN technology. Passive optical local area network, POLAN. POLAN architectures are being deployed as the next generation design for the local area network, utilizing single mode fiber optic cables as the dominant medium. Passive optical is capable of reaching distances of 20 km or more. In the figures above, you can take a look. This figure is also an example for POLAN network. The 10th one is Enterprise Private Network, EPN. During 90s, as internet technology evolved, a new type of network called virtual private networks originated. Nowadays, the companies who use VPNs are still called enterprise private networks when privacy is maintained through security procedures and tunneling. These type of networks are cost effective and scalable. The last one is virtual private network, which means VPN, the most popular one. A virtual private network extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. The next topic is hardware, software and transmission media used in computer networks. Hardware: routers, repeaters, bridges, gateways. As you can see in the figures above, there are routers and many examples. Next one is software. The examples are remote software, billing software, form software. Transmission media. Transmission media are the facilities used to interconnect computers in a network, such as twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. Transmission media are sometimes called channels, links, or lines. The range of worldwide technologies. The first one is HTML, which means hypertext markup language, and that is the language used to create web pages and web applications. The second one is URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. This is the unique address of a resource and is commonly called URL, means Uniform Resource Locator. The third one is HTTP, which means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is a set of rules for transferring files through the World Wide Web. You can see the web versions 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0 in the figure below. Different types of computer network topology. There are 7 different types of computer network topologies: point-to-point, bus, hybrid, star, ring, mesh, and tree topology. So we are going to talk about point-to-point topology for the first. Point-to-point topology is the simplest topology that connects two nodes directly together with a common link. The entire bandwidth of the common link is reserved for transmission between those two nodes. Bus topology. Bus topology is a network type which every computer and network device is connected to single cable when it has exactly two endpoints. Then it is called linear bus topology. It transmits data only in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable. It's very cost effective, used in small networks. Hybrid topology. It is two different types of topologies, which is a mixture of two or more topologies. For example, if in an office in one department ring topology is used and another star topology is used, connecting these topologies will result in hybrid topology, which means ring topology and star topology together. The next one is star topology. In this type of topology, all the computers are connected and to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. Ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer, with the last connected to the first. Exactly two neighbors for each device. Ideal if workstations are located in groups. Mesh topology. It is a point-to-point connection to another nodes or devices. All the network nodes are connected to each other. Tree topology. Tree topology has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels to the hierarchy.